Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje nginey'ndaba bafethu engingayithandanga ngiyifunda namhlanje. So lana sinomdlalo okuthiwa uPhuso Disejane. uPhuso Disejane uthole bafethu i-player of the month. Uthole i-player of the month indlela adlala ngayo mfethu umjide lo one of the best youngsters esinawo kwe-Betway Premiership so far. I'm really not happy ukuthi akekho kwi-squad sebafana currently. Yabo. Because lo mjide lo ubedeserve ukuyodlala lapha. Uyi-winger eli-right kakhulu. Ubedeserve ukuthi mhlawumbe ayobangisana noNkoda lapha for i-position yokuthi adlale isi-right winger. Yabo. But-ke ithe P2 umjida abizwanga but let's hope mase siyodlala ku-AFCON uzobe khona umjida eyobangisana lapha ischeme nabadlali abazobe bekhona beyo-represent iBafana. So lana kunodaba-ke kunodaba ade bembuza ukuthi ngabe iqiniso yempela yena iKaizer Chiefs iKaizer Chiefs the mighty yamakhosi yamxosha ngoba wayengafuni ukuba u-ball boy. Yabo. Ngiyayikhumbula ke leyo ndaba. There were many players. I think there were 3 of those players kwi-Kaizer Chiefs abaxoshwa regarding i-incident ukuthi bebengafuni ukuba o-ball boy. Remember ukuba u-ball boy kwi-Betway Premiership. Kwi-Betway Premiership baningi abadlali ababo-ball boy. Even Slap was i-ball boy koLorlando Pirates. I remember nje kwi-derby le yayidlala ngoFebruary waye-ball boy umjida. But he was featured on the next derby. Yabo. He was not yet promoted to the first team. He was not yet promoted to the first team. But when you look at Uselepe at that time, he was already promoted to the first team iKaizer Chiefs. But waba old ball boy for iKaizer Chiefs. Iyona into umjida eyamceka kakhulu. Cause ushilo la uthi yeah, it's all the truth. I left because I refused to be a ball boy. We had a meeting before leaving. We didn't have a disciplinary hearing. We just had a meeting and they told us we must all leave. Then we left. Imagine. Akubanga khona warning, akubanga khona disciplinary hearing. Remember, these are youngsters. These are youngsters. You know how to deal with youngsters. As a coach, kumele wazi udila kanjani nama youngsters. They were not doing anything malicious. There are youngsters who can be ball boys with Kaizer Chiefs. Why did they choose abadlali abasebile lapha ko-18? Most of ama-ball boys abangaphansi ko-18. Most of ama-ball boys abangaphansi ko-18. Why did they choose uPhuso Disejane? Look right now. I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe iKaizer Chiefs they don't know how to utilize these young boys. They don't know how to integrate them into the first team because this boy was already promoted but he was used as a ball boy. He was protesting, why am I being used as a ball boy? I know how to play e-ball. Look right now, he's one of the talented youngsters. Ngeke ngithuke masasayinwe iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngeke ngithuke masasayinwe iOrlando Pirates. Ngeke ngithuke masasayinwe phesheya lo mjida lo. And ngiyasho namanje iKaizer Chiefs angazi indaba mfethu. Angazi. They fail to utilize these youngsters. Ama youngsters most of them me kwiKaizer Chiefs. Angazi. Mhlambe yimi bafethu but yabona into enziwe iKaizer Chiefs yayingekho right. And amafethu amaningi eKaizer Chiefs awamthandi lo mfana lo ngoba ukhuluma iqiniso. Iqiniso liyababa ke at some point but iqiniso leli asikwazi ukulibalekela. Kaizer Chiefs was wrong. They were wrong. And naye umfana angifuni ukumdefenda kakhulu. Naye waye wrong ukuthi anqabe ukuba u-ball boy but kwakuzoba right ukuthi akhulume nawo. Yabo. Because mengikhumbula kahle I think bahamba during i-match. Abajid. But kwamele akhulume nabo mfethu abatshela ukuthi hayibo angikwazi mfethu ukuba u-ball boy. Bakhona abafana abancane. Abangaba u-ball boy. Imagine being a ball boy watching umuntu olingana nawe edlala. Kuthini lokho kuwena? La kukushaya kanjani? Ngeke ungaphatheki kahle mfethu. Ngeke uphatheke kahle njalo. Yabo, ngeke uphatheke kahle. Ubu-ball boy uthi uyaboka mfethu ubona umdlali olingana nawe uyadlala lapha phakathi udlala kwi-first team ye-team yakhe. Kodwa wena ubhizi uphonsana namabhola la. Yabo. Babonile benza ama-example ngoPhil Foden. uPhil Foden wayeyingane kabi oyi-ball boy kweMan City. Wayeyingane kabi. Musanje bafethu. Now uSelepe. Same as uSelepe. So angazi bafethu nenani thini ngale ndaba le but mina I'm not okay with the situation le. Umjida lo ngimfisela nje ukuhle kwi-future yakhe angimfiseli ukubi. Yabona nje I know there's a big team ezomsayina after le season le anayo with iTS Galaxy. Last season he was good, yes, but kule season le I feel like there's a big team ezofika ezomthatha umjida from iTS Galaxy. and ngimfisela nje okuhle ku future yakhe uPhuso Ditsejane.